how to delete or clear Bixby conversation history on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Then from the home screen, swipe down at the top. Then tap on the settings icon. Next, we scroll down and then tap on advanced features. Then tap on Bixby. After that, tap on the more button. Then tap on quick commands, tap on conversation history. And in the conversation history, it will show you a list of all the commands that has been used by Bixby. From here, tap on the more button, then tap on delete. When you select delete, it will allow you to manually select the items that you want to delete. So select them first, then tap on the delete button. If you want to clear all, tap on the more button, then tap on clear all, and that will immediately clear all the Bixby conversation history without confirmation. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.